Hey guys, this is Anika aka Katberrypotatoo. Today I have this really amazing warm brown smoky eye look using Morphe 3502 palette. If you're interested to find out how I got this look, keep on watching. Do hit the subscribe button if you wish to see more of this kind of video, and make sure you hit the bell button so you never miss another video. Hey y'all, this is my face without makeup. I've already moisturized my face beforehand. Primer, I'll be using Smashboxcosmetics Photofinish foundation primer, and I'll be taking small dots on my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin. I will blend it really nicely and pat it right where I have pores to just fill that up. To color correct, I'm using the orange shade from the mastercamo color correcting kit in the shade 300. I'm putting it under my eyes, my mouth, and basically anywhere where I have some sort of blemishes and darkness. Using a Miniso buffing brush, I am blending out all the color correct we did. This brush is really great for foundation, guys. Must get your hands on it. For foundation, I'm using Esteelauder edoublewear in the shade Cashew. Yeah, I know it looks too light for me, but it's actually not. I usually match it with the shade of my neck. I'm taking a beauty sponge from Miniso to blend out all the foundation. For my eye base, I'm using the yellow concealer from the kit and putting it all over my lid and then blending it out. To set this, I'm using a translucent powder. Finally, for my eye look, I'm using Morphe 3502. I tried my best to show the number. Anyway, first step, I'm using the shade Universal N10 to put on my eyelid, followed by the shade Terracotta to just define that crease even more. Using a smaller fluffy brush, I'm taking the shade Chestnut to put on my crease again to define that shade even further. And I got bored halfway. To darken my outer corner, I'm using the shade In the Zone. As you can see, I'm really getting in there. Now I'm going to cut the crease using the concealer again. Taking the black shade Wiz from the palette, I'm putting it at the corners of my eyes, leaving just the middle part out. Now I'm taking the brown shade to blend the black to the transition shade, and now I'm taking the shade Bronze to just put in the middle. Since this shade wasn't showing up that well, so I switched it to Pure, and I'm using my hand to apply the color. As you can see, it makes such a difference. Going back with the brown color, I am blending the black with the golden shade. To line my eyes, I'm using Rimmellondonsg Glam Eye eyeliner and drawing a sharp wing. Ta-da! To highlight my brow bone, I've used the shade Pure. I have used the yellow shade from the kit to highlight under my eyes, bridge of the nose, forehead and chin, and use the darker shade from the kit again to contour my perimeters, basically my cheek, as you can see, and my forehead, 5 head to be exact, and my chin, and use the sponge to blend away. Now I'm just going to use a setting powder to set everywhere that I have highlighted, which is under my eyes, my nose, my chin, and my forehead. For bronzer, I'm using 01 Blondes from Maybelline Face Studio to bronze my cheeks, my jaw, and my forehead. Then I've used a clean powder brush to dust away all the excess setting powder that was lying on my face. Now I'm using the shade Fire under my eyes, as you can see, going halfway. Now I'm using a dark brown shade to go over the ends of my under eye, highlighting the front of my under eye using the shade Bronze. For blush, I'm using Sleekmakeup's Blush by 3 Pumpkin palette, and I took the orange shade and the pink shade to put on the amples of my cheeks and my nose and chin. And I like to basically blend it to wherever I have bronzed. To highlight, I'm using Maybelline's Mastercamo highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. For my lips, I'm using Kat Von D's liquid lipstick in the shade Exorcism. I'm putting a couple of coats of Rimmellondonsg Extreme Black Wonderfull Mascara at my top and bottom lashes. And that pretty much wraps the look. Thank you so much guys for watching my tutorial. If you've enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel and comment down below on the things that I can improve on or the things that you want to see next. Do share this video if you like it, and I guess that's it for today. Bye!